Hi, how's it going? This is a brief explanation about a CNC Fulgros multi-tool machine. It has three main parts, which will be the power supply. In this case, a connected supply of 24 volts, 480 watts, a control area combined with an HMI interface, human-machine interface, and the structural area, which would be all this part here. Let's initialize the system. Here we can see that the operating system Marlin starter is widely used in the field of 3D printing and Cartesian type CNC. At this moment, the extrusion tool is being mounted, 3D printing using FDM technology. Here we can see some works the machine has done, and even you can notice the notch difference in calibrations. This was the first test performed with the machine. We can see that the chimney has a worse finish, and on this occasion, in this model, a better quality was noticed. This was due to mechanical calibrations and airflow analysis. At this moment, we are going to take the machine to what is known as the origin or the home position. This has to be done to calibrate the machine and for it to recognize its position within the Cartesian plane in its workspace. Here we can see that the XYZ carriages move and then the Z axis. So the X and Y are through mechanical limit switches and the Z is through an inductive sensor. There it is shown. It is a tiny sensor. It is a 5-volt inductive sensor. It has a yellow LED indicator. Next, the functioning of this machine will be shown through 3D printing and also with a plotter, where the engraving system is placed here. Whether it is a pen, a marker, whatever the operator desires. One of the great advantages of this system is that it has a completely fixed bed. The head is the only part that moves. This benefits in terms of costs. It is much cheaper because it uses fewer parts and is faster. Why? Because this head weighs much less than if the bed part were moved, which means it carries much less inertia and means it consumes less energy and can reach more acceleration and higher speed. Even all these parts in gray are also made using 3D printing. This machine is self-replicating. It can produce these same parts and even repair itself.